I want to tell you a little bit about tax day. Typically falls on April 15th, but this year it's pushed ahead a few days. That's because April 15th is Saturday. And then the District of Columbia will celebrate Emancipation Day on Monday, April 17th. That's day. Tax day is officially Tuesday, April 18th. So it gives you a couple extra days. So what we tried to do with this tip is to go through the various ways that you can do your taxes. Like if you have basic needs, is that you have Tax Act and TurboTax. They have free options. In addition to the standard free federal filing, they have free state filing too. But then you have the big companies. And it can get confusing. You have H&R Block, Intuit TurboTax, Tax Act, Credit Karma is now in the tax business, Tax Slayer, and Jackson Hewitt. So how do they all compare? What you want to do is you want to read a little bit of what we wrote about each one of them to see if you fit their customer profile. And then we put together this really great software comparison chart where we compare the prices, whether it can import a competitor's previous year's return. Does it have all the major forms? Does it have guidance for complex returns, interview topics, navigational topic? Do they offer guidance for life events? And then if you get stuck filling out your taxes, is there somebody there to actually chat with you? Or is there somebody that you can actually get on the phone with? But then also, does it have a comprehensive database? And when you start looking at these, they all have their pluses and minuses. But when you want to look at the top ones, the top three are always H&R Block, Intuit TurboTax, and then, of course, you have Tax Act. To learn more about this, as well as to check out this feature-by-feature comparison chart, head over to Komando.com. That's Komando.com. And once you're there, hit that Show Picks button.